Flashing yellow here. SD70 ACE, I think. Oh, look at 6581, beautiful. I think that was a C4. ES44 C4. I'll double check it. All right, start off with a little half cut there, a little toupee. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy Saturday morning. They got on the radio and this train's gonna have to check an axle. Axle number 131, I should be counting. Just told 3 things to check for. Something about a valve, a hose, and what else? Oh, a handbrake set. They said tie down in Martinez. I believe Martinez is right here this way. See a bunch of dirt. We got a vehicle coming. There's also a tie-down train down there. Looks like a Razor or something, an off-road toy. She ain't playing around. Gave me a good dust bath. All right, having some fun. She was on private property there. You can go most places up here, but you're not supposed to go right there. I don't believe. This fence right here says railroad property, I think. We'll see what this train does. Normally when half the train gets over the summit, it starts speeding up. This one doesn't seem like it's speeding up. We'll see if it does. Usually when they're going from west to east up here, by the time the engines go by the time the end of the train goes by, it has sped up quite a bit because speed restrictions lifted. It's all downhill to Barstow. Beautiful port stack. Look at that, cool. The B&E boys. The boys. So main track number 1. We got a tie down at main track number 2 over here. It's a tank train. Yep, port stack straight off the ocean here. H2O, ash. Right now it's 94 degrees. The wind isn't that bad yet. Got some DPU action coming here. And with some toupee cut also, half trailers. Doing some slack. Oh, you know what? That's right, this train has to stop. Check the axle. I wouldn't be surprised if it stops right about now. We'll see. They're gonna have to let a guy off the engine and pull the train up to 131 axles and have him check. That's what they usually do. Look at this ET44 C4 beauty. 5810 old school. Is it ES44 C4? Check that one too. Yeah, they just hit the brakes. You hear that? It's gonna stop. They're gonna check that axle. So behind me is Cajon of Cajon subdivision. The way we're looking is Martinez of Cajon subdivision. Yeah, they're gonna have to let a guy off and then they're gonna start pulling up again. Usually that's what they do. Not always, but usually. It's almost stopped. I hear a train horn, that's good. I'm not sure if it's behind me or in front of me. Yeah, they're tying down. I'm comparing it to that telephone pole on just the left of that cab there, and it's not moving too much. They're about done right now, I think. The guy should be jumping out of the lead engine, the conductor. The guy's in charge of the train. You're talking to him on the radio right now. Yeah, the conductor takes the radio with him. Usually when I show this, it's just like, it takes an hour and it's just boring as can be, so. I ain't gonna stick around, that's for sure. So they're checking something with Axel 131, something to do with the brakes. I was hoping it would pull up again. Alright, railroad fans, Cajonpass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us that big thumbs up. Here comes the wind. It's flashing the light. I wonder what that meant. Probably it's going to get going again. Oh, there's the worker right there. See him? Left of the cab. I guess he was in that rear unit, maybe. He's walking up to check 131. I think he's probably got a long way to go. Because that train had probably at least 150 cars, I'm guessing. What do you think? Leave your comment. Okay, railroad fans, Cajonpass. Now I know what they were talking about, helpers. They were disconnecting those last two rear engines. They'll be leaving them up here or probably taking them back down in a little power move. Yeah, I get it now. Duh. Yeah, they cut power up here all the time. You see on a lot of my videos, you see power moves going by. You know, bunch of engines. Sometimes you see only 2 going by, at least every day. So they use that help to get up to the top of the summit, and they check their axle and cut the power. And here it is. Oh, good. He's going to power move it back down. Cool, cool. He's going to go back to the hub. Sweet. Nice. I love it when a story is complete. Cool. All right. You know what? They said that on their first radio transmission, and I didn't put 2 and 2 together. I was thinking of something else about a helper. But these are the helpers. All right. These are going back to the San Bernardino hub, and sweet. Good job, brother. THN, there's the ET44 C4. Light power move. Yeah, it all made sense to me. And then it actually happened in front of our eyes, so. Sometimes it takes me a while to figure things out. Yeah, he switched all the way over to main track number 3 here. He went all the way across. 2 tracks. He's going to take that all the way back to the hub. All right, love you guys. We're going to catch you on the next one. Take care.